welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Over time, we've consciously tried to make some very interesting and healthy recipes on this show. And with the reactions that I get, you are not only loving it, but are actually trying it out and bringing about a lifestyle modification in your diet. And that makes me so happy, and I have to say, I'm super proud of all of you. So today, I'm going to add another uber healthy recipe to our kitty, and this dish is called the Berry Banana Oatmeal. High on fiber, enriched with nuts, and filled with berries, my oatmeal dish is going to keep you fuller for longer. And the best part is that this dish is made with Nutralite Classic, which has 0% cholesterol and is rich in omega-3. So let's get baking. Just take oats, a cup. We add in 2 spoons of jaggery sugar, a pinch of baking powder, flaxseed powder. So if you're fully vegetarian, you don't need to add the egg into this. Flaxseed will hold it together. So 2 to 3 teaspoons of flaxseed powder. Just mix it all in. Now you add in the cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah. I am using almond milk, but if you wish to use normal milk, you can. One and a half tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix it in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So here we have some melted Nutralite Classic, which I'm going to add to it. A tablespoon to the almond mixture. And we crack an egg. This is optional if you're vegetarian, because you're adding in the flaxseed. Now we add in half the berries. We've got blueberries, mulberries, and raspberries into the oat mixture. We add in a bit of the almonds and the walnuts. We keep them to garnish it on top, the remaining. And now we mix in our liquid mixture. So I'm using a glass casserole, and we've already pre-greased it with some Nutralite Classic. We line it with some cut bananas, really randomly. Just pour in our mixture. Garnish it with the remaining nuts, some almonds. We preheated our oven, and we've got to bake this at 180 for 40 minutes. "40 minutes are up, and I can smell it. Yay! Ta-da! Yum! Yum! This is super delicious, and I can feel the yumminess of the sourness of the berries, the sweetness of the bananas, the crunchiness of the nuts. You have to try this at home and tell me how it turned out. Pack it for your kids' tiffin, serve it for breakfast or even tea time. This berry banana oatmeal recipe can be eaten any time of the day. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.